Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy A04s smartphone. If the screen is locked and you do not have the PIN code, we can bypass that and it's actually going to delete the PIN code. It will also wipe everything else off of the phone. But if you're okay doing that, it's pretty simple. We can do it right now. All you need to do is, first of all, your phone needs to be plugged into a computer with a USB-C cable, and then you're going to need to turn the phone off, which you can't do it without the PIN code. So you need to press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously, and just continue to hold it until the phone force turns off. Then as soon as it turns off, you're going to switch from power volume down to power volume up immediately. And you're going to keep holding that until the Samsung logo appears on the screen. As soon as that happens, you will let go of the power button and just keep holding volume up until the rest of the Galaxy and everything appears on the screen. And then it will load into this recovery menu. And then you're going to use the volume to toggle down to wipe data factory reset and hit the power button to select. After you do that, you can toggle down to factory data reset and hit the power button to confirm. Keeping in mind, once you hit the power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off your phone. But once you've done that, you'll get back to this screen, at which point you can select a reboot system now, and the phone will turn off and turn back on like a brand new phone. And that's it. But if you're still here, I just have one more quick thing for you. If you are interested in a new credit card, Chase is giving away $200 for free just for signing up for a credit card. If you're interested in that, I have a link in the description.